Hello, what's up guys, welcome back a new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to embed code in WordPress. So let's get started. Go to the admin dashboard and I want to embed a code in a post. So click the word post. You can see on post is showing, view this post. Only text are showing, welcome to WordPress. This is your first post, edit or delete it, then start writing. I want to embed a code here. So very first we have to copy the code and open up a new tab and go to the YouTube, or you can go your YouTube or your website, then click on this share and navigate to the embed tab, click on embed, and this is the embedded code. So you have to copy it, click copy, then go to the editor again. This is the post where I want to embed this code. So edit the post, just enter here. Then you can see this is the add block, click this plus sign, then right here custom HTML. This is the custom HTML, then paste the code here. This is the iframe code and save it. Visit the post. You can see this video is showing perfectly. So thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel to get more videos on WordPress.